Hello friends, good evening to all. Welcome to my exam coaching classes once again. And after a long gap, we are meeting again and we will be continuing the classes from now onwards regularly. So you can expect regular updates in my exam coaching channel. And today onwards, we are starting the preparation for the upcoming competitive examinations. So regularly we are going to update you with the latest question papers, latest topics and advanced syllabuses. Accordingly, videos will be made and regularly will be posted in this channel now. So first of all, my apology for not posting videos for a long number of days. Due to some reason, we were not able to upload videos, but we are back. So that is a happy news for everyone. So we don't want to disappoint our students. So we will be uploading the videos regularly now. So today we are going with a new topic, and before going to the topic, let me request all of you, dear friends, if you are new to this channel, I request everyone to kindly subscribe for this channel, and if you are not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe. Please subscribe the bell button and subscribe for all, so that whenever I upload new videos from today onwards, the notification will definitely come to you. So we are going with a new topic today, and which is quadratic equations. So initially we will be seeing some of the basic concept of quadratic equations, and then based on those concepts we will have some important questions selected from the previous question papers, and then we will be solving those question papers one by one. And so let us go to the quadratic equation basic concept first. What are the important formula when we use quadratic equations? So this topic is very important topic for almost every competitive exam, whether you say it IBPS examination, railways, banking, staff selection commission, CTET, or any competitive examination. When we solve questions from quantitative aptitude part, quadratic equation based questions are very important, and they are sure short questions. So let us first understand what are quadratic equations. Then we will solve some of the very important questions based on quadratic equations, and then let us go to the first concept. So again, I request you, if you are new to this channel, I request all of you, please subscribe, so that whenever I upload important videos for your competitive examinations, the notification will come to you, and we are solving previous question papers regularly. That will definitely boost your preparation for the competitive examination. Okay, so thank you for subscribing. Let us go to the important points. Now, when we talk about, give me 1 minute, let me make it into full screen mode. Okay, so now the general form, the standard form of a quadratic equation in variable x is given by ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is a general form of a quadratic equation. So when I say quadratic equation, first understand the variable x will have the highest degree 2. That is why we call it as a quadratic equation, where we have a condition that a should not be equal to 0. What will happen if a is equal to 0? When a is equal to 0, then the complete term, this ax square, will become equal to 0. When ax square becomes 0, then the remaining left out is bx plus c. When I write only bx plus c, here the power is 1. When the power is 1, it is not a quadratic equation, it is a linear equation. So that is why always give a condition ax square plus bx plus c is the general form of a quadratic equation in which a is not equal to 0. A should not be 0. B and C may be 0, may not be 0, doesn't matter, but A should not be equal to 0. Right? A should not be equal to 0. If A becomes 0, then ax square term will become 0. Then the remaining will be only bx plus c. Bx plus c is not a quadratic equation, it is a linear equation. whereas we are talking about the standard form of quadratic equation. Whenever we talk about the quadratic equation, the power of that equation should be equal to 2. So this x square will be valid only when a will assume some value other than 0. So that is why condition is always given, a should not be equal to 0. B and C may be 0 or may not be 0 depending upon the quadratic equation. Here ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a general form of a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are called constants. A, b, c are normal numbers. They are constant numbers, and a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is a constant. So generally telling, it is ax square plus bx power 1 plus cx power 0 equal to 0. X power 0 is taken as 1. X power 0, anything power 0, the value will be equal to 1. So c into 1 will become c only. That is why we are writing it is c only. Understood? So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A should not be equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. That is a general form of a quadratic equation. B and c, if they are 0, then quadratic equation will become ax square only. B and c, if they are 0. If they are not 0, then there will be some value that will become bx plus c. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the general form of a quadratic equation. So for example, I can tell you 2x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. This is a general form of a quadratic equation. You can equate it with this equation. You will get a is equal to 2. Here bx is 4x. So b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 5. So these are the values of a, b, c. This is a general form of a quadratic equation. Any example we can write. For example, I can write an example for quadratic equation as 3x square plus 23. Is it a quadratic equation? Yes, it is a quadratic equation. When it becomes 0, 3x square will be ax square. Bx, there is no x term, so b will become 0, 0x plus c. In place of c, we have 23. So here a is equal to 3. There is no x term, so b will become 0, 0 is b, and c will be equal to 23. 23 will become c. So b and c may be 0, b and c may not be 0. It depends upon the equation. But a is not equal to 0. A cannot be equal to 0. Right. Let us see some more important points. Quadratic formula. Generally, we will call it as QF. What is quadratic formula? If I give you an equation, for example, x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. X square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. What are the values of x? Remember, whenever we find out the value of x in a quadratic equation, x will have two values, value 1 and value 2, x1 and x2. So how to find out that? To find out that, we have a formula which is called quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This formula is called quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now let me ask you, what is this b square minus 4ac? What is minus b? What is 2a? Where from we will get the values of all these things? It is very simple, my dear friends. Here you have to equate this with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. When you equate this, here we have how many x square? 1x square. So a will be equal to 1. Here we got a equal to 1. Bx will be equal to 3x. So I got b equal to 3. Ax square, a is equal to 1. Bx equal to 3x. So b is equal to 3. and in place of c we have 2, so we got c is equal to 2. So ax square plus bx plus c is a general form. So what we are doing, the given equation we are equating with the general form. The given equation is x square plus 3x plus 2, and the general form is ax square plus bx plus c. When you equate both of these, then you will get the values of a, b and c. Once you get the value of a, b, c, first calculate what is b square minus 4ac. First calculate what is b square minus 4ac. Here you can say b square, b is 3. So what will be b square? B square will be 3 square. 3 square is equal to 9. That is equal to b square. What is 4ac? 4 into a into c. That is 4 into a. A is 1. 1 into c. C is 2. So 4 into 1 into 2 is 8. So we got 4ac. Now we can find out what is b square minus 4ac. B square is 9 minus 4ac is 8. So 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So now you can put it in this formula. What is the formula here? The formula is minus b. We got b is equal to 3. So minus b means minus 3 plus minus root of b square minus 4ac. We got b square minus 4ac equal to 1 divided by 2a. What is a? A is 1. So what will be 2a? 2 into 1. That is equal to 2. So now we got the answer minus 3 plus minus root 1 is 1 divided by 2. Now I will get two values. Minus b minus 3. First is plus. So plus 1 by 2. And second value is minus 3. Take minus. Minus 1 by 2. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 2. I will get minus 1 first value. And minus 3 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 divided by 2. I will get second value minus 2. Understood how I did it? Here when I solve this, I will get minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 1. That is my first value. When I solve this, minus 3 and minus 1 will give you minus 4. Minus 4 divided by 2, I will get minus 2. That is my second value. So I got two values for the value of x in a quadratic equation. It can be minus 1 and minus 2. You put the value of x equal to minus 1 here, or you put the value of x is equal to minus 2 here, the equation will get satisfied. So how to find the value of x using quadratic formula is very, very clear. So this formula we have to remember, minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. I hope you understood this concept. Then let us go to how to find out the value. To find out the value, we have already seen every quadratic equation will have two roots. Root means two values. X will have two values, one first value and second value. So let us take the first value is equal to alpha, second value is equal to beta. So we got in our previous example, we got minus 1 and minus 2. So alpha will be equal to minus 1, beta will be equal to minus 2. Any value, different equation we will get different values. First value we will get alpha, second value generally we will take it as beta. So the values are calculated using the formula. Alpha is equal to minus b root d by 2a. What is d? D is the discriminant, root of b square minus 4ac. That is root d. D is b square minus 4ac. So in place of d, we will write b square minus 4ac. And second value is minus b minus root d by 2a. That is x value will be minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, or second value will be minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. When you combine these two values, I can put, instead of this minus, I can put this minus here and make it as a single formula like this. That's all. So these are the important concept of quadratic equation. Based on this, let us solve some of the very important questions selected from the previous question papers. So here is your first question, which is selected from my IBPS paper. The question is, sum of two numbers is 27 and their product is 182. Find the smallest number. Smallest number you have to find out. Sum of two numbers is 27. See, if I get one number, let first number equal to x. Let one number equal to x. So the other number, second number will be equal to what? Other number will be equal to 27 minus x. Why? Because sum of the numbers is 27. When you add both the numbers, you will get 27. If one number is x, the other number will be 27 minus x. So we got two numbers. First number is x and second number is 27 minus x. Now what is the information given? Their product is 182. Product means multiplication. Product is 182. That means these two numbers, when you multiply x multiplied by x 27 minus x, you will get the answer 182. This is the information given in the question. This is the form. This is a quadratic equation actually. How? When you expand it, it will become x into 27, 27x. Then x into minus x will become minus x square plus 27x equal to 182. Now let us transpose everything to one side. If I take this x to this side, this minus x square will become plus x square. If I take this plus 27 to this side, it will become minus 27x. And 182 is already here. That will be 182 only. So this is a quadratic equation. Now you can equate this with ax square plus bx plus c. So you got what? You got a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 27 and c is equal to 182. Now we will put it in the quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here we have, let us find out what is b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac means b square minus 27 square. 27 square will be 729. If you don't know how to find out the square of any two-digit number, please watch the previous video which we have uploaded. I have given the link also in the bottom. You can click on the link and watch the previous videos and you will find out how to find out the square of any two-digit number. So 729 minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 182. So this will become 728. So you will got equal to 1. So now it is easy. Minus b. B is minus 27. So minus b will be 27 plus minus 1 by 2a. 2a is 2 into 1, 2. Now let us see 27 plus 1, 28. 28 divided by 2, 14. 27 minus 1, 26. 26 divided by 2, 13. So we got two numbers. First number is 12. Second number is 13. What we need to find out? Find the smallest number. The smallest number is 13. So our answer will be, answer is equal to 13. Now from the given options, you have to mark which is the correct answer. So your correct answer will be equal to A. Answer 13. I hope you understood it. Watch it again. If you are not clear with the concept, pause the video, watch it again and understand. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment box and I will definitely personally reply to all the comments. So next question number next. If the area of a rectangle is 84 square centimeter, so we are talking about a rectangle here. A rectangle means like this. its area is given to you. Area is equal to 84 square unit, and the longer side is 5 unit more than shorter side. Longer side is this. Shorter side is this. Longer side is 5 unit more than shorter side. So here you will take shorter side if it is x. Longer side will be x plus 5. What is the area? Area is breadth into length. This is equal to length and this is equal to breadth. So area is equal to L into B, the general formula of a rectangle. General formula for the area of a rectangle. Area is given to you 84. 84 is equal to length is x plus 5 multiplied by x. When you solve it, it will become x into x. It will become x square. X into 5, it will become 5x. And this 84, when I transpose to this side, this will become minus 84, which is equal to 0. Now we got the quadratic equation. Once you get the quadratic equation, then it is very easy. Equate it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we got a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to minus 84. Once you get it, first we want to find out what is b square minus 4ac. Here b square minus 4ac, b square is 25 minus 4 into a into c. 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 84. So this will become minus 336. This minus 336, if I put here, this minus and this minus, when you multiply, it becomes plus. 25 plus 336. It will become 361. Now let us put it in the quadratic equation. How to put it in the quadratic equation? Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This will become minus b is minus 5 plus minus root 361 by 2. So this will be equal to minus 5 plus minus root 361 is what? Root 361 is equal to 19 divided by 2. So we got two values here. Minus 5 plus 19 will be 14. 14 by 2, the first value will be equal to 7. And minus 5 minus 19, minus 24. Minus 24 divided by 2, the second value will be equal to minus 12. Or we want the value only, so we'll take it as 12. What you want? Find the sum of the length. Here this length will be equal to 7. This length will be equal to 7 plus 5, 12. So what is the sum of the length? Sum will be equal to 7 plus 12, which is equal to 19 units. So 19 unit is the answer. Accordingly, you can mark the correct option B as 19 units. Please pause the video, watch it again, understand the concept, and then practice more. So we have solved so many examples in the previous videos also using quadratic formula. Watch those videos also and you will have a clarity how to solve quadratic equations using quadratic formula. This is one of the sure short question from this particular topic in all competitive examinations. So here we have next question. I am making the quadratic equations and giving you the answer. The solution part you can continue now. Now you have a clear idea. Here we have a train traveling at travels 360 kilometer. So distance is given to you. Distance is equal to 360 kilometer with a uniform speed. We don't know the speed. So let us take speed is equal to uniform, that is x. And what is second condition? We don't know the time also. Time we don't know. Let us take time t is equal to, time in the first case is equal to t1. So we have a formula between speed, distance and time, which we explained in our previous videos. Speed is equal to distance by time, or we can say time is equal to T1 is equal to distance 360 kilometer divided by speed. First equation. What is the second condition? If the speed had been 5 kilometer more, if you increase the speed from x to x plus 5, that is a new speed, and it would have taken 1 hour less, new time, T2 will be 1 hour less. So T1 minus 1 hour less. So that means if the speed is this, T2 will be T1 minus 1, that is 360 divided by x minus 1. So now again we have, what do we want to find out? We want to find out the speed of the train. So now we have a formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. We know distance is how much? 360 equal to what is the speed? New speed is x plus 5 multiplied by, this is our new time. When you solve it, you get 360 is equal to, here you got x multiplied by 360 into x will again become 360x. Then we will get minus x square. How? Because we will get this as cross multiplication x here. So we will get x into x square. And then plus 1800, that is 5 into 360 minus 5x. 360 both sides you can cancel. You got a quadratic equation now. X square plus 5x minus 1800 equal to 0 by transposing everything to left side. When you solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula, we will get the value of x equal to 40 kilometer per hour. That solution part I am not doing it here. Once you get the formula, you can apply quadratic equation now, quadratic formula, and find out the value of x. Now from the given options, you can find out the correct answer is 40 kilometer per hour. Solution, how to find out the solution for this using quadratic formula? You are clear about that. So I hope you understood this, and still if you have any doubt in this particular question, you are not getting the answer, kindly put it in the comment box. I can solve your problems. So let us go to the next question. So the next question is, find the sum of two consecutive positive integers, the sum of whose squares is 365. Sum of two consecutive positive integer. Two consecutive integer means which are coming together. So if the first integer is x, then the second integer will be x plus 1. First one is x, second will be x plus 1. What is given? The sum of two consecutive positive integer. Find the sum of two consecutive positive integer. The sum of whose squares is 365. We have to find out sum, that is x plus 1. This is what we need to find out. But what is given? Sum of those squares is 365. Sum of the square means x square plus x plus 1 square, which is equal to 365. Sum of the squares, this square and this square, when you add, you will get 365, which is given in the question. So using this, first we will find out the value of x, then we will find out the value of x plus 1, and then we can find out what is required as per the question. So x square plus x plus 1 all square means x square plus a plus b all square format, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 365. So when I solve it, x square and x square, that is 2x square plus 2x, and when I take this 365 to this side, it will become minus 365, and here already we have 1 plus 1, so minus 365 plus 1 will become minus 364. I can cancel the entire equation with 2 cancelled here, 2 cancelled here. When I cancel 2 here, it will become 182. So what is my final equation? My final equation is x square plus x minus 182 equal to 0. Now I got a quadratic equation. I can equate it with what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square, here a is equal to 1. Bx, b equal to 1. C equal to minus 182. Ax square is here how many x square? 1x square. So 1x square, a equal to 1. Bx, here b is 1x. So b is equal to 1. In place of c, we have minus 182. So we got the values of a, b, c. Now you know, once you got the value of a, b, c, you know how to find out the value of x. Using the quadratic formula, first we will find out what is b square minus 4ac. Here b square minus 4ac will be equal to how much? 1 minus and 1 minus 728. So this will become 1 plus 728, which is equal to 729. So now using the quadratic formula, minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2 to a, we will get the values 13 or 14. So we got the value of x is equal to 13. We got the value of x plus 1 is equal to 14. So what we want? We want the sum of these two numbers. So 13 and 14. 13 plus 14, which is equal to 27. So now you got the answer. B is equal to 27. Accordingly, we got the answer. B is equal to 27. That is the correct answer. Hope you understood this. And then let us go to the next question. Still, I am repeating. If you have any doubt in any one of these steps, kindly put it in the comment box so that I can clear your doubt personally. So here is your next question. So all these questions are taken from the previous question papers. The three sides of a right-angled triangle are x, x plus 1 and 5. So we are talking here about a right-angled triangle. So a right-angled triangle, what are the properties? We all know. We can use Pythagoras theorem here. Here one side is x and one side is x plus 1 and the longest side is 5. So let us take this triangle as ABC. So since it is a right-angled triangle given in the question, we know one of the angle will be equal to 90 degree, and this is hypotenuse, and this is altitude, this is base. Base, altitude, hypo. Find the perimeter of this triangle. We want to find out what is the perimeter. Perimeter P is equal to sum of all side. Sum of all side. That is what we want to find out. If you want to find the sum of all side, first you should understand what is x. Then you should know what is x plus 1. Then we have to add x, x plus 1 and 5. Then we will get the perimeter. So first we need to find out x. How to find out x? Here we have a formula. AC square, that is 5 square hypotenuse square, is equal to x square, one side square plus other side square, x plus 1 square. So 5 square is what? 25 is equal to x square plus x plus 1 all square will be equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. This x square and x square will become 2x square Here it is 25 plus 2x plus 1. If I take this 25 to this side, it will become minus 25. So my quadratic equation will become 2x square plus 2x minus 25 plus 1 minus 24. I can cancel this with 2, 2 here, 2 here, here 2 12 times. So I got the equation x square plus x minus 12 equal to 0. Now we got the quadratic equation. You can put it using ax square plus bx plus c form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We got a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 12. So when you use the formula to find out b square minus 4ac, when you solve it, you will get b square minus 4ac is equal to 49. I am not solving it, you can solve it. When you find out the values of x, you will get two values of x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 4. So we got this value x is equal to 3. Here we got x plus 1 is equal to 4. Now we got all the three sides. What we want to find out? We want to find out the perimeter of the triangle. What is perimeter of the triangle? Sum of all three sides. How to find out the sum of all these sides? That is 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 12 units. So 12 is the correct answer. Accordingly, you can mark your correct answer as option C, 12 units. Hope you understood this. If any doubt, pause the video, watch it again, and then make your concept very clear. Let us go to the next question. And the product of two numbers is 24. And the mean is 5. Find the smaller number. Very important question selected from Staff Selection Commission paper. The product of two numbers is 24. So let us take the product of two numbers is 24 and their mean is 10. Let us start from mean. Let us take one number is equal to x and other number, for example, let us take it is y. When you add these two and divide by 2, you will get 5. That means it is the mean. Mean is what? Add both the number divided by 2. Whatever you are getting, that is mean. Average. From here, I can say x plus y is equal to, when I cross multiply 2 and 5, it becomes 10. So from here, I can find out the second number y will be equal to 10 minus x. So now let me tell you, first number is x and second number in place of y, I can put 10 minus x. So we got two numbers, x and 10 minus x. What is given? Product of two numbers is 24. Product means x multiplied by 10 minus x is equal to 24. So when you solve it, it becomes minus x square plus 10x equal to 24. When you transpose minus x square this side, it will become x square. When you transpose 10x to that side, it becomes minus 10x plus 24 equal to 0. When I equate it with ax square plus bx plus c, I will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10 and c is equal to 24. Now it is easy, you can find out what is b square minus 4ac. I am not solving it. You can solve it. B square minus 4ac will become 100 minus 96, which is equal to 4. So the numbers, values of x will be equal to 6 or 4 when you solve using quadratic formula. How to use quadratic formula? Again, it is already explained. I am just writing the formula once again here. Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. What is a, b, c? We already find out this. B square minus 4AC, we already got 4. So you can put that value 4 here. And when you solve it, you will get the value of x, either x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 4. Now what we want to find out, find the smaller number. 6 and 4, which is the smaller number? The smaller number is 4. So our answer is equal to 4. Accordingly, you can mark the correct option as option A. A is equal to 4. Hope you got a very good clarity about how to solve problems based on the topic quadratic equation. I request all of you watch the video again, and if you have any doubt or if you want to clarify any questions, kindly put it in the comment box. If you have any particular topic on which you need a video, that topic also you can put it in the comment box. I will definitely make the new videos on the given topic and I will be uploading it. And once again, before concluding, let me request all of you, if you are new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe. And as soon as I upload new videos from here onwards, the notification will definitely come to you. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for your support. And we will meet tomorrow with a new video. Take care. Bye bye.